Ngicela sikhulume nge-Meet the Khumalozi ephume ku-Netflix kumhla ka-11 April. Yeah, I've already watched it. I think most people have watched it. I mean, asikhulumeni ngayo bafethu. There's quite a lot to catch up on. As you can see, bafethu, i-cast of the show is quite vibrant. Khona obuSiyabonga Shibe, Mrs. Ayanda Borotho, khona ngisho Miss Khanyimbao. Ngathi i-China lapha ngibiza ngalo na Mbao, China, Khanyimbao ukhona laphayana. There's this chick actually from Gomora ukhona laphayana, nomama ukhona ukhona, uJesse ukhona, bafethu kuningi. So everyone is asking, what is the movie about? If you actually watched Keeping Up with the Kandasamis, you are definitely gonna love this one. These two are a couple bathanda nabo omakhelwane somewhere komhlanga. And then what happens is ama-parents abo, abazali babo, oma babo, labo bobabili bazama ukubahlukanisa at all costs. They try everything ukubahlukanisa. And unfortunately, naniyazi, at the end of it all, love always wins. Now, would it be something that I would recommend for umuntu ofuna ukubuka imovie emnandi? Definitely. I know we're in April, iphasika, but imovie yothando, family, imnandi, definitely watch it. Bafethu, it's South African, so it's nothing new or fresh, because to my understanding, I think they just copy and pasted the Keeping Up with the Kandasamis. It's just the same thing. Honestly, that's what I think. But other than that, it's a good show. So please give it a watch.